Hello guys, and welcome to my another video, which is the uh, next part of my previous video. We've already finished installing the Flutter SDK in our system, and we have given it the path and everything, and everything looks normal as we looked it in the last video. If you have any question or any problems from the last video, you can add it in the comments, so we can work it out together as a group. So the next step to do would be installing the Android setup. Now you can use any other IDE if you want. This is completely subjective, but I strongly recommend you to download and use Android Studio for a lot of reasons. The first is that I am gonna use the Android Studio, so in order for you to follow me and get all the tutorials right easily, you just have to use the Android Studio. And the second is we're gonna have to use the Android emulator, which is from the Android Studio, to test our apps. So whether or not you like it or not, you use another IDE, you're gonna have to download and install the Android Studio. So if we're gonna use it in the emulator, might as well use it as a IDE. So I strongly recommended this. So uh, you can find it under the SDK, beneath the SDK packages. Then you got Android setups, and in the Android setups you'll see download and install Android Studio. So click that and it will lead you to this page saying that download Android Studio. Just click it, accept all the agreements, and download Android Studio for Windows. Alright, this will take a while since the file is like 700 megabytes. So after we finish downloading this, we should be able going to the next step. Alright guys, it has finished downloading the Android Studio setup. Now it's all good, and just click it and install all the necessary follow all the necessary steps to install the Android Studio. But I've already downloaded the Android Studio, so I'm not gonna do it twice. So it's just a basic steps towards the installation, and it's easy. And after you finish, you'll see this, and window, and just click the configure file, then go to settings. After that, you should see plugin from the menu. Just click plugin. After that, go to browse repositories and click that, and in the search menu search for Flutter, and you should see this. So install the package. I've already installed the package, so I don't have to do it, but just install the package, and it will also install the uh, uh, Dart the Dart plugin too. So the two plugin that we need will be accomplished by one. After just downloading and adding the plugin to the Android Studio, uh, just go there and see if there is a start new Flutter project menu. If there is a start a new Flutter project menu, then you have successfully added the plugin in the Android Studio, or else you didn't, or you just missed a couple of steps. Pause the video and go rewind the video and see if there's any steps you have missed. So now we got everything set up to do the Flutter. So on the next video we'll be getting into like configuring the Android Studio and more of the environment, so it can fit us, and it will help us more to develop an application. So for all that and more, I'll see you on my next video, and please subscribe and like my video, and if there's anything, any suggestion, that would be helpful and appreciated, so leave it in the comments. And if there is any another programming language that you need to learn, I can do that. So just ask me in the comments and I'll respond to you. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.